Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, take out your book, open page number 100, take one rough copy and pencil with you so that you can note down the important points from the board. So, let's do recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So, student, in previous video the topic which I explain you is water pollution. So student, what is water pollution? When unwanted elements, or you can say things, get mixed into the water bodies, then we say that water is polluted. And some of the points we have discussed in this. See student, water is needed in many activities which we are doing in our houses. So student, what daily lot of water is waste. For example, even you I give you example of a small family. If there are 4 or 5 members in the family, even we are wasting more than 500 liter of water daily. So student, the water which is used in the bathroom or the water which is used for different activities in the kitchen, that water goes from the drain pipes, even you can say sewage water also. And what happened in the last? This water, it goes into the river. So student, the water which is coming from your bathroom and from the kitchen, that water, and even from the sewage water, all these water carry from the drain pipes and sewage pipes, and in the last it goes into the river. So student, when such water enters the rivers, so it also polluted the river water also. Is it clear? It also polluted the river water also. So see, there are many activities. Water is also not only used for drinking purpose also, but it is also used for many other activities in our house. So what is the best method? The good method is that before that this water get mixed with the river water, the water firstly sent to the water treatment plants, so that proper filtering of the water is done in that water treatment plant, and after that this water goes in the river. That is the best method, because already I have explained you that the water in water treatment plant, we can't use that water for the drinking purpose, जो वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स में जो वाटर जाता है बेटा, उसे हम ड्रिंकिंग पर्पस में यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं, बट दैट वाटर कैन बी यूज फॉर द irrigation. Okay, we can use that water in cultivation. So the farmers can use this water for the cultivation in their fields. जो फार्मर क्रॉप्स लगाते हैं तो सबसे पहले फील्ड्स में वाटर लगाना पड़ता है, वाटर डालना पड़ता है, जिसको इरिगेशन कहते हैं, हिंदी में इसे कहते हैं सिंचाई करना जमीन की, सॉइल की. ओके, सो दिस वाटर कैन बी utilized for the cultivation, and even this water can be utilized where the construction work is going on. जहाँ बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग्स बन रही होती हैं बेटा, वहाँ पे आप ऐसे वाटर को यूज कर सकते हो, बट दिस वाटर कैन नॉट बी यूज फॉर ड्रिंकिंग पर्पस. ठीक है. नाउ अनदर पॉइंट, फर्स्ट ये तो हो गया द व्हाट हैपन विद द वाटर विच कम्स फ्रॉम द बाथरूम एंड किचन्स एंड वेयर इट गोज. ओके, दिस वी हैव डिस्कस. नाउ द डर्टी वाटर दैट्स कम आउट ऑफ द फैक्ट्री. So what happen? There are many harmful chemicals which get mixed with the water and makes the water polluted. So this water which is coming out from the factories, the water which is coming out from the factory, in this water there are many harmful chemicals which get mixed into the water, and if such type of a water goes into the river, then what's happened? It polluted the river water also. So these are the reason how the water get polluted from the house activities also and from the factories also. Salt and other suspended soil that we have already discussed. See, at the time when the floods come, then lot of it, the flow of the water is very fast, so at that time it carry soil also. Okay, so that is the reason these soil particles get mixed with the water and make the water polluted. आप लोग ने फ्लड के समय या रेनी सीजन जब होता है, मानसून सीजन होता है, व्हेन देयर इज लॉट ऑफ वाटर इन द रिवर, at that time if you see what is the color of the water of the river, you will find the color of the water in the river is brown. How is it brown? So at that time when the flow of water is very fast, so at that time lot of soil particles also get mixed with the water, and due to this also the water get polluted. Next, activities like bathing, washing clothes extra in rivers make the water dirty. So we should not wash clothes or we should not bath in the river, and even do not so these are also the reason how the water is polluted, by bathing in the river or while washing the clothes in the river. Even people who live near the river bank, so water is also polluted by the animals also. So these are the reason how the water get polluted. And after that we discuss about the religious activities also. Yes, this is also the reason how the water get polluted. See, if you consider the Hindu religion, so what's happened after the death of any person? What we do, student? We burn the body of that person, and after that, after burning the body of that person, what we do? Activities like immersion of the ashes of the dead person into the river water. ठीक है, ऐश क्या होती है? राख हो जाती है, जलने के बाद बॉडी राख में चेंज हो जाती है, और उस राख को भी हम लोग किस में डाल देते हैं? रिवर वाटर में. ओके, तो दैट इज आल्सो नॉट राइट. अकॉर्डिंग ड्यू टू दिस आल्सो द वाटर गेट पॉल्यूटेड. एंड आइडल्स ऑफ गॉड्स, ठीक है, हिंदू धर्म में हम लोग बेटा मूर्ति पूजा करते हैं ना, सो वी कांट थ्रो दैट idols anywhere. So in the last what we do, we put these idols in the river water. So due to this activities also the water get polluted, because the colors which are used in making the idols of the god, so when these idols we throw these idols in the river water, then it also create a water pollution. It also creates a water pollution. So student, so we have to stop all these things so that the water don't get polluted by these activities. Okay, now in present time no can put idols or in the river water. Okay, so now let's start with the air pollution. Air pollution. Okay, so mixing of, note down, mixing of dirty, unwanted, mixing of dirty unwanted elements in the air is called it air pollution. Okay, mixing of dirty unwanted elements, or you can say things also, in the air is called it a air pollution. Now student, let's discuss some of the reasons how the air get polluted. So smoke, forms whenever we burn something. So student, smoke forms whenever we burn something. So we know that student, in present time, in past the pollution is less, because at that time there are very less vehicles on the road, okay, in the past. But if you see in the present time, there is lot of pollution due to different types of vehicles on the road. So see student, how these vehicles run. So what is used to, because they also need some fuel so that they can move. So student, so from where they are getting the energy to move? So student, in these different vehicles, or you can say in these different means of transport, from where they are getting the energy to move? So they are getting the energy from some of the vehicles which are running on the petrol, or some of the vehicle which are running on diesel. So student, due to the burning of these diesel and petrol, lot of smoke is produced, and when these smoke or harmful gases which are released by these vehicles, when these are mixed with the clean air, then what's happened? It gives a rise to a new problem that is known as air pollution. Okay, because these vehicles produce lot of harmful gases, and these gases mix with the air and make the air polluted. This is the reason for air pollutions. Okay, because when we burn anything, at that time the smoke is produced, and in this smoke there are lot of harmful gases, and these gases makes the air polluted. So one reason is that the rate of pollution is increasing due to the vehicles, और ड्यू टू डिफरेंट मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. जो डिफरेंट मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट है, इनकी वजह से भी एयर पॉल्यूशन क्या है, बहुत ज़्यादा इंक्रीज हो गया है, बिकॉज दे प्रोड्यूस हार्मफुल गैसेस. इज इट क्लियर? जैसे डीजल है, पेट्रोल है, व्हेन यू बर्न दीज थिंग्स, सो बिकॉज मैक्सिमम व्हीकल्स दे आर मूविंग ऑन वेदर डीजल और पेट्रोल, so they are producing lot of harmful gases, and when these gases get mixed with the air, so what happen? It creates a air pollution. Second, burning of crackers and garbage Next is burning of crackers. So at the time of a festival and in many occasions when we celebrate, so at that time we burn the crackers. So by burning the crackers and lot of pollution, air pollution causes due to the burning of crackers. ठीक है, जब हम लोग जैसे आप लोग बेटा दिवाली है, दिवाली में क्या करते हैं हम लोग, पटाखे बजाते हैं ना, फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. सो इट आल्सो व्हेन दीज क्रैकर्स आर बर्न दे रिलीज वेरी हार्मफुल गैसेस एंड व्हेन दीज गैसेस get mixed with the air, it creates a air pollution. So due to the burning of the crackers also the air is polluted. The air is polluted due to the burning of the crackers. Next is garbage. So in previous chapter student, at that time also I discussed with you the disposal, that is chapter number 16, our surrounding. So in that chapter also we discuss that we have to do proper disposal of waste materials, because it is a very important. If we are not doing proper disposal of waste material, then how our environment can be clean? So we had to understand this thing, otherwise if our surroundings are not clean, then we also suffer from different types of diseases. So student, it is very important that we do proper disposal of waste materials. So in chapter number 16, in a proper disposal of a waste material, so there also we have discussed this point. One method of doing disposal of the waste material is that you burn it. There are big furnaces in which we put the garbage, and after that what we do, we burn it. अगर आप एक ढंग से देखोगे तो आपको ये मेथड बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, क्योंकि whenever we burn the things, it change in the form of a ashes. बड़े से बड़ा कूड़े का ढेर है, अगर आप उसको बर्न कर देते हो तो बर्न होने के बाद उसकी क्वांटिटी क्या हो जाती है, बहुत लेस हो जाती है, बिकॉज आफ्टर बर्निंग द थिंग्स चेंजेस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द एशेज, उसकी क्या बन जाती है, राख बन जाती है. तो आपको लगेगा ये मेथड बहुत बेस्ट है, बट स्टूडेंट दिस इज नॉट द सेफ मेथड. दिस इज नॉट ए सेफ मेथड, बिकॉज when you are burning the things, so lot of harmful gases will produced at the time of a burning also, and it creates a air pollution. Okay, so this method is also not good, or you can say this method is also not safe, that we burn the garbage. Okay, that we burn the garbage, because when we burn the garbage, at that time lot of harmful gases are produced and it creates a air pollution. जब भी आप लोग ध्यान देखना, अगर हम बर्न कर रहे हैं तो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू स्टैंड नियर दैट प्लेस. ठीक है, जैसे आप अगर कहीं पे कूड़े का ढेर है जहां उसे बर्न किया जा रहा है, आप वहां स्टैंड होके देखना, आपको लगेगा कि आपको बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही है सांस लेने में. इज इट क्लियर? सो इस बर्निंग से क्या है, लॉट ऑफ हार्मफुल गैसेस आर प्रोड्यूस एंड these gases mix up with the air, these gases mix up with the air and it creates air pollution. See, especially the people living in cities area, villages में the rate of pollution is less in the villages area, but especially in the cities area you will find many peoples are suffering from different types of diseases due to lot of pollution of the air, because due to human activities what we have done, we have cut lot of trees. Cutting of the trees also is also responsible for the air pollution, because see student, trees, plants जो भी हैं, what they do, they clean the air, and if there are no trees then what happen, the rate of air pollution will increase, the rate of air pollution will increase. So student, plants more and more trees to reduce the rate of pollution, because trees clean the air. Next है accidental fires. Next is the accidental fires. See student, many times you have seen in the news or in the TV news, or you have read in the newspaper that by some short circuit होने से भी कई बार फैक्ट्रीज में, आपने न्यूज़पेपर या में रीड भी किया होगा, इवन यू हैव सीन इन द टीवी चैनल्स आल्सो, ओके, कि व्हाट हैपेंस ड्यू टू शॉर्ट सर्किट देयर इज अ फायर इन द फैक्ट्रीज. ठीक है, आपने ये चीज देखी होगी, शॉर्ट सर्किट होने से फैक्ट्रीज में क्या हो गया, फैक्ट्रीज में भी आग लग जाती है. ठीक है, एंड दिस हैपन आल्सो इन द फॉरेस्ट आल्सो, कभी कभी फॉरेस्ट में भी आग लग जाती है. सो व्हेन दीज टाइप्स ऑफ ए एक्सीडेंट हैपन्स, सो इट आल्सो क्रिएट्स अ एयर pollution. So because when these things are burned, जब ये चीजें जलती हैं बेटा, because when these things are burns, then at that time what's happen, it produce lot of smoke. Okay, so many times accidental fires happens in the factories due to short circuit, and when these things burn, then what's happen, they produce lot of smoke, and due to this, and what happens in this smoke, there are lot of harmful gases which are produced due to the burning of different types of the things. And when these harmful gases get mixed with the air, then what's happened, these types of things also create air pollution. Okay student, thank you.